Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video I'm going to be looking at our wood finishing oils. In general, using an oil to finish either stained or bare wood is a good option to provide protection from daily use, weather and moisture resistance. And oil will really bring out the natural beauty of the wood, and the good thing with oil is that it's really easy to apply, so anybody can treat their wood while achieving stunning results. When it comes to choosing a specific oil, it mostly comes down to the environment the item is going to be used in and how you want the finished article to look. So in this video we'll concentrate on our Pure Tung Oil. Pure Tung Oil is a hard-wearing, natural derived oil which is non-toxic and food safe. Along with being highly resistant to water and stains, it's these traits which make our Pure Tung Oil a good choice for kitchen worktops, utensils and any other indoor or outdoor projects, as it will prevent the wood from drying out, along with that high water resistance. As it's a completely natural oil with no additives, it's the perfect choice for children's furniture and finishing wooden toys. It dries to a lovely matte finish to keep that natural look, enhancing the beauty of the grain. Here you can see the effects on three different pieces: beech, oak and walnut, so light to dark coloured woods. See how the oil darkens them to a different degree, and remember that grain will really pop differently through the different species of wood. So it's always a good idea to test in an inconspicuous area first to make sure you will be happy with the results. The oil is very easy to apply, just make sure the wood is clean and dry. Depending on the absorbency of the wood, it may be worth diluting the tung oil with white spirit at a ratio of 1:1 to help penetration into the wood. Apply liberally to a lint-free cloth and simply wipe into the wood following the direction of the grain. You should really saturate the wood with the first application so the surface of the wood is really wet with the oil, so keep flooding the wood until it looks all wet. Getting the oil deep down into the fibres of the wood at this point will simply protect the wood more, keeping it looking good for longer. You can then leave it to soak in for 20 minutes before wiping away any excess with a clean, dry cloth. The wood will need to be left for 24 hours for the oil to dry and harden before more coats can be applied. No need to dilute the second coat, simply wipe the Pure Tung Oil over the wood in a nice even coat. You will notice that it doesn't soak in as much this time. Leave again for 20 minutes and wipe away any excess. Leave for 24 hours again and repeat the process to build up the layers and the overall protection. If it needs it, a light rub down between coats with fine sandpaper just to denib and smooth off the surface. Will give you that professional finished natural look and feel. It's that simple and easy to use, and remember, you should reapply the oil annually to keep your wooden items well maintained. If you found this video useful, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.